Microsoft, Myntra, Deloitte, Google, JEE pathetic score. In physics I got -4. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा DSA related questions इंटरव्यू में नहीं पूछे जाते थे.
लोगों का सपना होता है इन ब्रांड्स में जाने का, राइट?
वो होता है ना कि भगवान से एवरीडे विश कर दो कि I want this company. So it was that for me. This year I had few bucket lists like solo international trip, content creation.
From this travel content to the job content, ये कैसे आया? How will you help me as a candidate to crack in this big industry?
If you are able to excel in content creation, the main primary job that will become a secondary job.
I think content with CV is the new game.
I remember मैंने selfie stick ली थी, cameras and 3-4 items. Still I didn't start content creation.
How people who are sitting in the rural India can start creating content. Starting from Myntra and cracking the interview in Microsoft and working as a SDE2 in Microsoft. Our today's guest, having just 4 years of experience, did it really well. Not only with the content creation, but she also enlightened us how the tech field people can get into, how to crack interviews and just learn few basics about AI. आज के इस एपिसोड में मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें एक जेनजी से सीखी कि अगर आपको क्लैरिटी हो और अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस हो तो आपको बस चीजें करनी होती है एंड थिंग्स फॉल इन प्लेस. Even having little less experience in the corporate, she still made it to Microsoft in just 4 years, starting from internship to a permanent role in Myntra and then to Microsoft. It was really worth a share. But before we start our discussion, मैं आपको गुजारिश करना चाहता हूँ, please share this episode with the people who are struggling in the jobs, who are looking for good opportunities or maybe learning things. This initiative is dedicated to the entire Indian job market. So please subscribe to our channel, share this episode with someone who's in need, as I said, and like this episode as well so that it can reach to the masses. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much for always being there. And now let's hear it from our today's guest, Saili. Hi, Saili. Thank you for joining this. We are really excited to know more about you. But prior to that, I really want to have a quick consent from you. हम लोग ये सब जो पॉडकास्ट है हमारा, जो ये हमारा डिस्कशन है, ये यूट्यूब, लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक पे पब्लिश करेंगे. एंड दिस इज मोर ऑफ हेल्पिंग पीपल, जॉब सीकर्स एंड द एचआर फर्टर्निटी एज वेल, और मे बी हायरिंग कंपनीज.
Yeah, I give full consent to upload this full content which we will be shooting today on any of your platforms. So yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. बट अभी बताइए, आप कौन हो, कहाँ से शुरू किया है आपने? 4 साल में बहुत सारी चीजें आपने अचीव कर ली है, जो मुझे पता है, मैंने आपकी प्रोफाइल देखी हुई है. प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर जर्नी.
So I'm an engineering student. I
Mhm.
mean, I can't say student as of now because working professional, but I
Cheers.
started my journey. So again, I didn't wanted to do engineering from start. I had no clue about what exactly engineers do. I thought
Hmm.
app website banate honge, that's it. That
Hmm.
was my whole idea. And I mean, I thought maybe arts will be my priority over engineering.
Mhm.
And later, like my mom once told me that drawing art is something you're doing as hobby. No,
Hmm.
when you need a break out of this busy schedule, you do it after like maybe once a month you are doing it. You are not
Hmm.
doing every day. So you
Hmm.
need to figure out something which you can enjoy thoroughly every day.
Hmm.
You are also learning new things every day.
Yes,
So
yes.
तभी उन्होंने मुझे 2 ऑप्शन दिए थे कि आइदर मैं सिंगर बनूं या टीचर या फिर इंजीनियरिंग. Now
Okay.
this 3 sections. Now singing is something I realize I have a very bad pitch. I thought singing is something I
Your
can't
voice is
even do.
good, by the way. Okay.
I mean, the thing is, I have self-recorded my my
Voice.
song, and yeah, I realize I'm not meant for that. And
Okay.
my parents also realize, yes, you are not made for singing. So,
Okay.
so the second option was teaching.
Uh-huh.
The reason why I didn't like teaching at all is because I wanted a profession where I'm learning every day.
Hmm.
Something or the other I'm able to learn and I'm able to impart knowledge. If
Hmm.
that is the case, I wanted something similar profession.
Hmm. Hmm.
Teaching, I thought it will be somewhat I'm learning same thing. I am also imparting same thing. That's why I thought teaching is not meant for me.
Hmm.
And The third thing which was remaining, I was like, okay, let me explore engineering. I would say that it was a hit and trial case. अगर engineering में interest बना तो
हम्म
good, नहीं तो I need to again think of what else I should do in this particular no in different fields.
राइट
So I started with my engineering journey again, like 12th में PCM लिया था, JEE pathetic score. It was it was like a double digit score in physics. I got -4 something, and
हाँ हाँ
तभी I realized ना IIT जा सकते हैं ना NIT, तो दूर की बात, IIT भी दूर की बात, some local colleges in Mumbai.
हाँ
And to get local colleges in Mumbai, MSCT was the only exam.
हम्म
There I performed good enough. I got good decent score.
हम्म
So I got into Thadomal Shani Engineering College in IT field. Again, in first year itself, I had that, I want my own money. I can't rely on my parents for my pocket money and everything. So बहुत मर मर के एक finally internship मिली थी.
ओके
That was around like 2000 per month. That
ओ
was of a graphic design internship.
ओके
एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि अगर मुझे टेक जॉब में लैंड होना है, आई नीड टू हैव टेक्निकल इंटर्नशिप्स. This graphic design internships and everything won't land me job in technical fields. And that graphic design internship I got because again I had some career interest in arts tabhi bhi. So I thought, oh, let's try it out. Then website development internships I got by learning no website development related skills, app dev related skills. Then in third year, I was also participating in various hackathons. So Myntra Hackeramp, Google Hackathons, these are the various hackathons which I tried. And after winning those particular hackathons, we got internship opportunity. I mean, interview opportunity, I would say first, for internships. After cracking those interviews, in case of Myntra, I got internship opportunity. Again, interviews happened for PPO, and depending upon the project work, I got PPO at Myntra.
ओ
And then after 2 years, transition to Microsoft. So
ओके लोगों का सपना होता है इन ब्रांड्स में जाने का राइट
yeah, it was my dream too. So yes.
wow that's really good yeah. So, Sahili, please tell me something about your role since you are working at
Hmm.
Microsoft as SDE2, right? Level 2. क्या करते हो exactly in this organization?
Sure. So SDE2 stands for Software Development Engineer 2.
Okay.
So first I will say what exactly SDE does, and then I will say what SDE2 do. So
Okay.
let's take any application,
Hmm.
Uber का application, तुम्हारा कोई भी WhatsApp का application.
Hmm.
This particular application, the development phase, the deployment phase, everything from start to end is what your software engineers are doing. वो पूरा तुम्हारा ऐप बनाएंगे, तुम्हारा सिक्योरिटी एवरीथिंग विल बी टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन. दे SDEs आर समवन हु आर बिल्डिंग applications or websites which you see on your mobile device or on your PCs in a
Oh,
very layman term. Abhi,
okay.
what are software in SDE level 1, what they do is they are just writing codes. They are involved in the development phase, writing codes for your application or website. So what you're seeing on your mobile phones or laptops, it's what SDE are doing. What SDE2 do, they are basically involved in the architectural phase
Hmm.
एंड ऑल्सो समवॉट डेवलपमेंट फेज.
Hmm.
तो ये जो प्लानिंग होती है राइट, अगर हमें एक बिल्डिंग बनानी है तो लेआउट कैसा होगा,
Hmm.
क्या क्या यूज होने वाला है, तो ये सब इज व्हाट SDE2 प्लान्स आउट.
Okay.
द SDE आर द एक्चुअल वर्कर्स जो ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक पूरी तुम्हारी बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे.
Okay.
So that is what SDE does, and SDE2 is involved in the architectural phase
अच्छा.
majorly.
अच्छा.
And what I'm doing in Microsoft is mostly features related to when I was in Myntra, it was Myntra
Hmm.
related features.
Hmm.
And now in this particular Microsoft Teams related features, which I'm building. But
Okay.
considering major of the companies, what I'm seeing are mostly building features related to AI. So my
Okay.
current projects mostly involve building multi-agent systems and overall related to the AI systems. So yeah.
Okay. कौन से आप AI यूज करते हो? If you can just tell us the names to maybe help in the coding or maybe for a technical support.
Since part of Microsoft, so we are heavily using GitHub Copilot itself
Okay.
for the coding purpose. But
Hmm.
also apart from this, like we have Codex, which for my personal projects I prefer, like Codex I'm using, Lovable I'm using. So these are
Okay.
some of the tools which I'm using for the coding related platforms.
Okay.
Anti-gravity is also there by Google, that you
Mhm.
can just specify your simple prompt, it will build up the whole application. You are just redesigning कि design क्या होना चाहिए and everything, it will do everything at its end. So yeah.
Okay. I have a very silly question for you. Okay. Since you said prompt, right? Prompt
Hmm.
engineering is something that many people are doing, right?
Hmm.
प्रॉम्प्ट
Hmm.
इंजीनियरिंग क्या होता है एंड सिंपल जिन लोगों को टेक के बारे में नहीं पता है हाउ दे कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस
So in case of prompt engineering, it's more like agent. Let's consider agent as one person, your
हम्म
junior. Okay.
हम्म
If you want to assign a particular project to your junior who has no clue about a particular project at all,
हम्म
जहाँ कहाँ पे files है, क्या करना है, ये वो सब, the way you tell to your junior, you give full prompt, you specify the instructions. That is what basically prompt is. Prompt is instructions. You also specify some more informations. So
हम्म
instruction, informations, how you are expecting the input and output. You
हम्म
specify, you convey that information to your junior, and they do it at their end by understanding it. So if you
ओके
provide more context, if you provide more information,
हम्म
that good enough, your work can be done by your junior. Or
ओके
else they will be coming back with questions like how this should be done, how that should be done. So if you
हम्म
have good prompt, that is where like a good prompt engineer is defined. Good prompt engineers write good prompts, in short. Also, when I say good prompts, it's mostly about you are giving enough information. If you
हम्म
provide too much of information, if I specify to my junior, if I speak for like 2 hours about a particular project, he might lose some of the information. That is
हम्म
what is happening in some of the agents. So
राइट
that is where you need to specify correct information. That is where prompt engineering comes into picture. You are not providing very short information, and you are also not providing too much of information,
राइट
because there are chances that there will be lost in the middle kind of case for the
हम्म
agent. They will miss out certain information.
I think that starts from precision, like which characters, which words you are using, and how
Hmm.
well you articulate your thoughts. But isme language is very important, I think. Like
Yes.
people have to learn about English, not only
Hmm.
theoretical or maybe the written English, but also spoken English, so that people will be able to articulate their thoughts well and in a common way that the AI can immediately get it, right? दैट्स
Yeah.
इंटरेस्टिंग साइली बट मुझे ना अभी इंटरेस्ट इसमें है ना क्योंकि आपने कंटेंट बनाना शुरू किया है रिलेटेड टू द जॉब्स आई मीन हेल्पिंग द जॉब सीकर्स एज वेल हाउ टू गेट इनटू द
Hmm.
बिग टेक राइट
Hmm.
जरा
Hmm.
बताइए ये थॉट प्रोसेस पहले कहाँ से आई
So I wanted to do content creation from a long time, and
हम्म
I started with travel content on YouTube. That didn't work much, and
ओके
I realized the reason why it was not working is because if you're doing something on a everyday, right? At least
हम्म
like within a week, if you're doing it 2-3 times, you can actually
हम्म
post content on those particular things,
यस
because you are doing analysis about that particular thing. You are knowing what is happening around the corner, like in the
हम्म
world, what other peoples are also doing. And I realized the only thing which I'm doing every day is tech. So I thought, why not to
यस
create content on that line itself?
राइट
So this year I had few bucket lists like solo international trip, content
वाह
creation, and different things. So I thought, let's try it. At least I won't regret in my 40s or 50s ki, oh, I didn't
कर
give it a
लेते
try.
कर लेते कुछ तभी
Yes.
नाइस फ्रॉम दिस ट्रैवल कंटेंट टू द जॉब कंटेंट ये कैसे आया I mean, see, it's very simple. Gen Z's,
Hmm.
specifically the content creators, always choose either a fashion or maybe vlogging or maybe
Hmm.
comedy kind of a stuff, right?
Yeah.
आपको नहीं लगता कि आपने जो कंटेंट शुरू किया उसमें वायरलिटी बहुत आपको कम आए
Yes, that is the case. But so I have a separate travel account as well,
Oh,
Joe
okay.
again, which I which I started. It's not like I have given a full stop to that. Again, वहाँ पे भी बहुत कम content I post, because like I can't post daily because I'm not
Right,
traveling every day. But
right.
yeah, one thing what I've realized, matlab, from this tech related content creation is the reach might be less. But
Yes,
there might be more number of followers which you will get in a very less time span.
yes, yes.
So that is one thing. And second thing is, it is always if you are unique enough, right? Like you are posting something different, you might get you might also get viral. So
Right.
now I want to touch that point by talking more on something related to AI side
Hmm.
of it, or something, not every time talking about, oh, how to crack this particular company or this particular job role is open, something not related to that,
Right.
but more about sharing some knowledge.
But then Instagram पे तो वायरल होना I can understand, right?
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
आपने around 26,000 followers है आपके LinkedIn पे. How did you
Hmm.
achieve that? Like just in 4 years. I'm here on LinkedIn for the last 10 years और मेरे अभी
Hmm.
5,000 है organic followers. So how did you reach this mark?
Okay, LinkedIn one, to be honest, even I was shocked. It was very random. The reason why I would say random is because I am not posting every day. I was not doing that on LinkedIn. When I was in college, I just used to post it about, what projects I built,
Hmm.
something related to internship I used to
Hmm.
put. It
Hmm.
was never a everyday content or like a content creator.
Hmm.
I landed up into Mintra. That was my first post which I added. What all people do. Oh, I got into Mintra and everything. And to be honest, Mintra was very emotional. I mean, वो
Close to
company
your
ऐसी
heart.
yeah, close to my heart. And वो होता है ना कि भगवान से every day wish कर दो कि I want this company. So it was that for me, because I
Okay.
remember the day I got that particular offer letter from the
Hmm.
company.
Hmm.
I literally cried my heart loud. मैं
Wow.
बहुत उस पे चिल्लाई थी when I got that particular letter. Even
Hmm.
my dad was shocked कि ऐसा क्या हुआ है. And he was so worried. He was like कि even in happiness you should not shout loudly. So that was the point there. And I mean, when I even wrote the post, I just mentioned, no, it was so emotional thing for me that I just cried out my heart loud, and I wish to meet Ritik and Kiara one day. I just added two lines. That one
Okay.
post went viral. It had like 58 to 60K likes. Um,
Oh, I've seen that.
and that, yeah. So only that particular post got me so many followers.
Okay.
My main account on Insta, even that reached like around like 1,000 followers all of a sudden.
Wow.
Request आ गई थी. So it
Okay.
was, I mean, I will say it was luck. It wasn't any strategic content or anything.
I think आपने बहुत pure heartedly वो डाला, like you haven't thought about the virality, the engagement, or maybe those social media language terms,
Yeah,
and it
yeah,
was just like expressing your things out, and maybe that connected to more maybe hearts, right? And
yeah,
maybe that was the case when people got into that thought process कि अरे this can be my story someday, right? बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लाइक आपकी जर्नी जान के, बिकॉज एट दिस लेवल, आई मीन 3-4 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस के लेवल पे बहुत सारे अभी ऐसे यंगस्टर्स है जो इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना छोड़ दो, बट दे आर नॉट सो सीरियस अबाउट द जॉब्स. हैव यू सीन दैट, और मे बी आपके फ्रेंड्स में या आपके कलीग्स में ऐसे कुछ लोग होते हैं? व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट देम?
yeah. So there is a very close friend of mine. She got into Deloitte.
ओके.
And in case of Deloitte, the thing is, when it came to our college, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा DSA related questions इंटरव्यू में नहीं पूछे जाते थे.
हम्म.
It was related to quants analysis and everything. And if you crack the interviews, normal basic questions, not at the level of what FANG related DSA questions, वो सब नहीं थे. So
हम्म.
it was a dream company. And the reason why it was a dream company is because she was not good at all in coding.
हम्म.
She was purposely sent into engineering college by her parents.
ओके.
So she was kind of done, ki, no, coding is not for me. Even
हम्म.
if I get a good high paying, maybe even in FANG jobs,
हम्म.
I at least she was very sure that I won't be happy.
ओके.
And when she got into Deloitte, again, her job role involved like ऐसा नहीं था कि zero coding या कुछ.
हम्म.
It was no coding was involved, and she realized it's actually not for me. So
हाँ.
within like 2 years, she tried for MBA. Now she's HR in another org. She is very much
Oh.
happy. She is very much happy, and the best part is she's getting good salary as well. And when I
Wow.
say good, equivalent to what FANG engineers get and everything. So at the end, it's like if you are happy with what you are doing, and if your passion and if your career aligns in that particular interest, I guess it's a win-win situation. At least you can go to I mean, you can go to office without any regrets, I feel. So that's more
Absolutely.
important.
Absolutely. You said it right. बट अभी मुझे बताइए कि if I have to crack the big tech, okay,
Hmm.
be it Google, be it Microsoft, और मैं टेक वाला नहीं हूँ, मैं नॉन टेक वाला हूँ, okay, you can consider
Hmm.
any situation, any sort of my background. how will you
Hmm.
help me as a candidate to crack in this big industries, big companies?
Okay, so in that particular sense, I mean, if you are going, if you're coming from any of the background, irrespective of tech or non-tech, first is do the study about what type of skills are required, what type of questions are getting asked.
So you meant to
So
say
let's
research?
yeah, research.
Okay.
Research becomes the main point. So basically, what I will do is, whichever role I'm targeting, I will
Hmm.
go through the JD of those particular roles in the company portal or
Hmm.
on LinkedIn. I will try to understand which are the common skills which are mentioned in this 3-4 JDs
Hmm.
of this
Hmm.
various companies.
Hmm.
Then I will jot down this particular JDs. I mean, jot down this particular skills,
Hmm.
and then the next priority will be to understand what all things I should learn to develop
Hmm.
those skills.
Hmm.
Now, I mean, considering the AI boom and everything, things will be very much simple. Instead of doing that big research on Google, you can do it on Claude GPT direct. You
Hmm.
can just
Hmm.
specify, it will give you the whole career plan. Like for three, you
Right.
can specify, I want it for 3-4 months or 6 months or 1 year. It will give you full career plan, like what should be your priority learning,
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
what should be learned next and everything.
Hmm.
So yeah, that can be approached there.
Okay. That's nice. Because I usually tell each and every, youngster and maybe people who are in the first year, maybe graduation or maybe post-graduation, that research is something that is going to be with you for a longer time, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Before getting into any interview, you should be in a position that what this company exactly is looking for and how you are going to add value in that role, right?
Hmm.
हर कैंडिडेट सैलरी के बारे में पूछेगा, ग्रोथ के बारे में पूछेगा, मे बी पोजिशन के बारे में पूछेगा, बट वेरी फ्यू पीपल विल स्पीक अबाउट हाउ दे वांट टू ऐड वैल्यू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रोल. एंड इफ यू आर एबल
Hmm.
टू क्रैक दैट, देन दैट्स अ विन फॉर श्योर, राइट? बिकॉज
Yeah.
रिक्रूटर्स को ये जानना नहीं होता है ना हमेशा कि आपने क्या किया है क्या नहीं किया है. देर आर थाउजेंड्स लाइक यू. Why
Hmm.
you are here? So that approach have to be very precise and different. But having said that, research is the first step of it. You said it right. The next step too is like कि आप लोगों को ऐसे भी help करते हो to maybe prepare for the interviews or how to present themselves in the interviews.
So, I mean, in the current situation, I mean, through the content creation, everything, I try to put it through my content itself.
Okay.
But I'm currently not doing any one-on-one sessions where
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to help it out because I have realized I tried to do it before, like
Mm-hmm.
1-2 calls, and it's like it used to take so much amount of time you need to invest and put so much of responsibility on your side as well. Like you, because it's like a person who is expecting so much from you, and it's at the end it's their future, so you can't just give some any wrong information because they solely rely on you. If you're telling this, okay, do this particular course, maybe next, I mean, even before, like let's say I have not done any kind of course or certification, I
Mm-hmm.
feel I can't recommend a particular person that do this course. So that's why I avoid those kind of direct one-on-one sessions. So yeah.
Okay, okay. That's okay because I do that for the last 10 years.
Hmm.
And मेरा एक वीडियो भी है YouTube पे where I've helped the job seekers to
Hmm.
understand the process of cracking the interview, and it's like 7 and 8 steps of process. It's very simple to understand. So research के बाद क्या करना होता है क्या नहीं करना होता है, it's all there. But ठीक है, मुझे ये बताइए, now since you are in the job, right?
Hmm.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन आपको पर्सनली आपके जॉब में आपके एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हेल्प करता है टू ग्रो, और मे बी व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस फॉर दोज पीपल जिनको जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है एंड दे कैन टेक अ हेल्प of content creation and land a dream job? What is your thought on this?
So on this, I am following a famous content creator on AI side. In one of the posts, she mentioned that it is very much important, at least
Mm-hmm.
in this 2026 from 2025 or 2026 year,
Hmm.
that you should have your own brand. I mean,
Yes.
at the end, your name should be a brand itself. You should not be associated with the company at the end, because considering companies might do a layoff the next day. Companies, a company may or may not exist, but your skills and your personality is something, it should speak like a brand. And
Hmm.
that's where content creation is growing as of now, because if you are able to talk, if you are able to impart some knowledge which you yourself has, there
Hmm.
are high chances that you can, solely from content creation, you can earn enough. You don't need to even rely, maybe your the main primary job, maybe that will become a secondary job if you are able to excel in content creation.
Right.
So yeah.
That's nice. And even I keep on telling people that why your personal brand, personal voice matters in the jobs is because now not all the companies, the recruiters are very much interested to know what you have written in the CV. It
Correct.
is just a
Hmm.
basic information. If you really
Hmm.
want to crack interviews, you need to show your skill set. ठीक है.
Yes.
एंड इसके लिए हम लोगों ने तो एक ऑलरेडी जॉब सीकर्स की सीरीज शुरू करी है बैक इन द गेम. हम लोगों ने और एक ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है, दैट इज edu.recruit.com, जिसपे हम लोग ये तीनों चीजें बताते हैं कि लिंक्डइन का प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाना है, लिंक्डइन पे कंटेंट कैसे क्रिएट करना है, एंड मे बी हाउ टू क्रिएट द सीवीज एज वेल. क्योंकि ये मैं ना 10 सालों से रिपीट पे बता रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम रियली टायर्ड ऑफ टेलिंग ईच एंड एवरी पीपल कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, राइट.
Hmm.
एंड इन आवर कॉन्टेक्स्ट जब मैं लोगों को बताता हूँ कि आपको पर्सनल ब्रांड कैसे बनाना है, इट नेवर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम कि आपको वायरल होना है या फिर बहुत बड़ी चीजें करनी है, बहुत इक्विपमेंट्स में आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ वी आर लिविंग इन द जनरेशन ऑफ एआई, राइट. और यही
Hmm.
जनरेशन में नाउ एज गुड एज लाइक 99% ऑफ पीपल होल्ड्स द स्मार्टफोन, राइट. उसमें
Hmm.
आपको बस फ्रंट कैमरा शुरू करके बात करना शुरू करना है. इट्स नॉट नीडेड दैट यू आर डायरेक्टली पोस्टिंग इट समवेयर, राइट. फर्स्ट क्रिएट अ
Hmm.
गुड लाइब्रेरी, see that which kind of a topics are exciting for you or have of your own interest, and then maybe do some research about it. And when you take interest in that, showcase your skill set. Even being an introvert, right, you are able to
Hmm.
land multiple good jobs, not only one job, right.
Yeah.
So I think there are many people, freshers who are now getting into this. But आपने जो बोला ना कि after like 20-25 years, you should have your personal brand. Yes, that is important. And it is not कि आपका lay off हो जाए या फिर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. But yes, your experience, your history,
Hmm.
your situations that you dealt with are worth sharing, right?
Yes.
This is what my
Yeah.
thought process is, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I completely agree on this, because the reason is, even I was very much hesitant to create content on tech related, because
Hmm.
after a particular point, I mean, those who are at my age, my friends, everyone, they already know like how they got into job and everything.
Hmm.
So I was very much confused. Should I even create this? Because it's more like it will be same thing, no, like how to attract recruiters through LinkedIn and everything. But will that be useful? When I posted, and when no, some of my reels got views, I realized that there are so many people who are not even aware about how to get those particular jobs, how to
Hmm.
attract recruiters directly without dropping any kind of messages and everything. And that's where it's more of like, we always feel that everyone around us is much more aware about things, but that's not actual case. I mean, we ourselves also grow up after no hearing from others experience and everything, and even they get to know things. So it's always good to share without that second thought.
Yes. See, अभी मैंने तो बता दिया कि how people can create content around the jobs, or maybe how they can start. What is your thought process of maybe in advising people, advising freshers, millennials और उसके ऊपर के तो जाने दो, they will be very reluctant to create content or share things. But अभी जो generation आ रही है, because content is a big industry, right? And
Hmm.
obviously it is now also interlinked to the corporates. So
Hmm.
as a fresher, how people who are sitting in the rural India, okay, can start creating content, basics of it.
Okay, one is जो लोग बोलते हैं and try to find out your niche.
Hmm.
So again, वो बहुत vague हो जाएगा to say that, because again, it's
Hmm.
it's like there are many things, and when you understand, try to find out your niche. It's basically to check what you are doing every day, and
Hmm.
something you are doing happily. If you are
Yes.
doing something happily, तुम बहुत खुशी खुशी से वो कंटेंट बना सकते हो. You will have many things to say it out, and बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत दिल से आएगी. That is what happens if people are able to connect with you, whatever you are
Hmm.
saying, they are able to relate to it, then those particular reels and everything goes viral.
Right.
And that usually happens when you don't have any specific motive behind it. For
Hmm.
example, let's say if I'm selling a product which I don't even like at all, the thing
Hmm.
is, even if I sell it, people will understand that it's another marketing ad. They will just swipe down to some other reel. But if I'm genuinely selling a product which I'm using it every day and it's actually awesome, people will might relate to it. They will also find that interesting. So that's what the simple funda is. If you are able to find out that a particular niche, that okay, this is something what I'm doing every day,
Hmm.
this is
Hmm.
something what makes me happy, I can share my experience on this particular thing, even if you are noob in that particular section. But I mean, you are doing it every day. You can be rest assured that after, let's say, 3 months, or let's say like 30, or more like 1 year or 6 months, you will be well versed in that particular field.
Hmm.
So you won't be a noob at the end. You will have something more experience to talk. And that is what people are looking for, like real
Yes.
experiences to share. Another basic thing is, even when I started content creation, I remember मैंने selfie stick ली थी, those particular cameras and 3 4 items, and still I didn't start content creation because every time I was like, I should buy one more thing. I
हाँ.
I thought that for content creation I require like 4 6 good tools, and then only I can start content creation. But it was my confidence, it was thought process that I should not think about all these things. Let me just start the camera, let me just speak out. And
Right.
when that happened, things started going well.
Maybe from your inputs, what I understand is first, detach from the results,
Hmm,
right?
hmm,
Second, do not think much, do it much, right?
hmm,
जितना आप
hmm,
करोगे उससे ही आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. एंड ऑडियंस इज द बेस्ट प्लेयर who will judge your content, who will tell what is maybe right and wrong for you. Even like it is not going viral, you just keep on doing it, right?
hmm.
एंड मे बी जो रूरल इंडिया में है, मुझे ना एक चीज उनके बारे में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पता है, दैट दे आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी स्मार्ट, एंड दे आर लिटरली फाइंडिंग डिफिकल्ट टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज दे डोंट नो अबाउट एआई मच, दे डोंट नो मच अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट एटीएस फ्रेंडली सीवीज. मैं हर वीडियो में ये चीज बताता हूँ, राइट? But content is something that they can really get into, and it in a very simple steps, right? So I think content with CV is the new game, what I feel. बट अभी आप
Yeah.
मुझे बताइए, अभी आप एक एस डी टू पे काम कर रहे हो, राइट, विद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट.
Hmm.
डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता आपको जॉब भी मैनेज करना, कंटेंट भी मैनेज करना? बिकॉज लोगों का
Uh,
यही सवाल होता है कि कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे रखे, कैसे कंटेंट बनाए. हाउ डू यू डू
hmm.
दैट?
So yes, it is difficult, needless to say that. And ऐसा भी होता है कि ऑफिस का काम है, तो it might get stretched to like रात तक भी काम कर रहे हैं हम. There is
हम्म.
no time involved, and that's where I started out planning कि till Friday I will do all my office work.
हम्म.
Saturday with friends, फिर एक Saturday शाम को I will just write it down what kind of reels to make.
हम्म.
Sunday I will collectively at least make 2 to 3 reels, so
हम्म.
that I will schedule it in such a way that I've created the reels, I've done the editing, I
हम्म.
have the caption, everything ready. So on the next days I will be just doing the posting work. So
ओके.
this is something what I'm doing as of now.
हम्म.
Basically, I would say scheduling is helping me, but
हम्म.
again, it will be just a word to say, but at the end, it also happens. Like kabhi kabhi, I'm doing office work as well, and content creation was making me happy.
हम्म.
That's why I was doing it. That's why even waking up till nights didn't feel like, oh, I'm doing it as a tedious task or something.
हम्म.
So I was able to stretch till 2 a.m. bhi kabhi kabhi. I have done the editing and everything.
ओह.
And so that didn't come up as Reiki forcefully कर रहे हैं, या फिर to be honest there was ये कर रहे हैं because I want to earn out of it.
हम्म.
To be
हम्म.
honest, that was not at all my intention.
हम्म.
So it happened naturally. I am enjoying the process, to be honest. It is more like drawing is one of my hobby. I have realized this is also one of my hobby.
ओह,
So yeah.
दैट्स रियली नाइस. कोई ब्रांड्स ने आपको रीच आउट करा है अभी तक?
Yes, yes. So I remember my first एक brand आई थी, again it was related to tech brand. Then I did multiple, like 2-3 paid collabs with
Wow.
Naukri.com I did, and one more there was reel which I created, जहाँ पे I was just told to you just attend, create the reel, just shoot, पीछे बस बोल देना, we will pay it to you for that.
Oh,
I was
wow.
like, I was
कौन है
like, this
ऐसे
is.
लोग?
So yeah, that was my recent paid collab. I remember the first collab which I got, they mentioned to create a reel. They were paying good enough money,
Hmm.
but I was not able to relate with what they were selling. And that's why I just, to be honest, I started content creation with the sole purpose कि let's give it a try.
Hmm.
नहीं हुआ तो भी fine, because
Hmm.
this was not started as a no कि side hustle, इससे पैसे generate होने ही चाहिए.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I was not at all, to be honest, even now, I don't care even if it gets flopped after 6 months. It is just the assurance that I did it. I give it all my 100%. And if it is working good and fine, I learned from it. Even if it is not, at least I won't regret that I didn't do
Yes.
it.
Yes. You know, your entire conversation dragged me to my history of creating content. जब मैंने शुरू किया था, I was also looking for a job. और
Hmm.
हमारे टाइम पे ना स्केड्यूल वेड्यूल कुछ नहीं होता था. हमारे टाइम पे एआई नहीं था, एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स नहीं थे ज्यादा. सो आई यूज्ड टू एडिट ऑन विंडोज मूवी मेकर. ओके.
Oh,
Yeah,
a
back in
different hustle.
2007. Arre, the first video I edited of only 5 minutes took me around 8 hours. After that, when I learned about adding YouTube titles, subtitles through that SRT file, that took me around 4 to 5 hours. Okay.
Hmm.
और वहां
Hmm.
से लेके हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था. देन हाफ एन आवर तक मेरा टाइम आया था एडिट करने में. एंड देन वी यूज टू डू एवरीथिंग. हम लोग शूट भी करते थे, एडिट भी करते थे, पोस्ट भी उसी दिन करना होता था, स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे ही करना होता था. बाकी बहुत फेदर्स ऐड हो गए, बहुत बहुत मॉडिफिकेशंस आ गए कंटेंट क्रिएशन में. बट इट्स बिन नाउ 10 years आई एम इन दिस, एंड स्पेसिफिकली माई फोकस इज ऑन लिंक्डइन. सो इवन लिंक्डइन लोकल एक हुआ था जिसमें स्पीकर करके एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिली थी, एंड वी रियली एंजॉयड
Hmm.
दैट. बट वहां से मेरा भी एक्चुअली इंटरेस्ट स्पार्क हुआ है. एंड देन स्लोली वी गॉट इनटू हेल्पिंग अ लॉट ऑफ जॉब सीकर्स एंड द हायरिंग कंपनीज, एंड देन Recruit HR solutions happened. And then after Recruit, the HR's universe happened, and under this umbrella now we have this back in the game for job seekers and HR voices, जहाँ पे हम लोग बात
Hmm.
कर रहे हैं, right? So we're just trying to add few little things in the Indian job market क्योंकि struggle is really real, right? And
Yeah.
AI के वजह से लोग बहुत डरे हुए हैं.
Hmm.
Right. My one last question to you, Saili, is like people who are watching this video, how they will, reach out to you, और कैसे वो आपसे ज्यादा सीख सकते हैं?
So there are two ways. One is LinkedIn, and second one is Instagram. So I have this tech account named as Silene Tech, where I
Okay.
post daily content, not daily content, but weekly content related
Mm-hmm.
to tech, what is happening, maybe something if I'm learning new thing related to, I'm creating some projects, so maybe I
Mm-hmm.
can share some thoughts on that. Or something related to what is happening in the tech market recently. So on that. Otherwise, on LinkedIn, it's mostly there. I will have not much one-on-one discussions. It mostly goes for referring someone or anything. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, LinkedIn is another platform. So yeah.
Okay. लोग तो वैसे भी विल रीच आउट टू यू ओनली, यार मुझे रेफर करा दे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में, राइट?
Yeah.
But that's okay, that's okay. It was really wonderful having you. There is a lot to learn from you, that is one. And second, I have multiple questions, but thank you so much for doing this. And we really hope that people should reach out to you and learn from you.
Thank you so much for inviting me. This was, to be honest, a very natural and to be honest, it felt like I'm talking to my senior. So thank you for inviting me.
So
And
you're
also
calling me a
thank you
senior.
for, I
Okay.
mean, I meant 1 year elder itself.
Oh,
Yeah.
necessary. Thank you so much for doing this, Siley, once again, and wish you the best as well.
Thank you so much.
So that was Siley with us, having 4 years of experience in tech and also very good content creation side. You can reach out to her using her Instagram or maybe LinkedIn profile. But as she said, do not only ask for the references. If you really want to learn, please reach out to her. Thank you so much once again for being with us till now. Please subscribe to our channel and share this with someone who is in need. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.